How to download your maps data on Google Maps. Hello guys, all what you have to do is so easy. Just go to Google Maps. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now scroll down and click on your data in Maps. Click on it, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do in this page, scroll down until you find download your data, your maps data from here, and click on Chrome and it will take you directly to download your data very easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.